And here we have the new high pressure fuel pump with the new section that we've installed here going onto the factory body.
We're just setting up with the flashing tool now, selecting the right protocol. We've previously read the car out, we've prepared a calibration. Now all the hardware's on the car, we can flash that calibration directly to the ECU. Really important that we have voltage not only on the battery for the vehicle, so a steady 12 or more volts, but also that the laptop's got power. So if you see any interruption in the communication with the ECU, it will end the process and you might have to recover it. So we're just making triply sure that everything's the way it should be before we start, and then we can flash that file in. So it usually takes about 10 minutes, and that's a whole new calibration. So this will include all the changes we're making for boost, ignition timing, fueling. There's about 15,000 maps, so we're changing probably about 20% of those, but they're all the core operating tables.